this video, I will present you the results of gold by using Darkwing SCA. SCA is a free and available on the Amplify Marketplace. Link is in the description below. Without wasting any time, let's begin. Welcome back. Here I have done backtesting and optimization of the gold by using Darkwing SCA. You already know the Darkwing is a very famous and the free EA available on Amplify Marketplace. Here I have done the optimization for these pairs, but today I am going to share the reports and results of the gold. In this folder, you can see all the optimization related files and the most important files, the set file and the results of this set file. First of all, I will open this report file so we could take a look on the results, what we got from the Darkwing SCA in how much period, with how much deposit and everything. If I go on the top, I have done it on from 1st January 2024 to 1st January 2025 on a 15-minute time frame. I have used 500 as deposit balance with the leverage of 500. I have done it on XM Global Limited broker. This is a very good broker as per my experience. If you want to join, the link is in the description. Okay, and here the total net profit is $2,273 for a drawdown of only $368. This means the total net profit is 6 times higher than its drawdown. The recovery factor is 6.1. Also, the profit factor is very good, 9.8. This means the gross profit is 9 times higher than the gross loss. Here below you can see the total number of trades, the deals, and the most important is the profit ratio. The profit trades are 81%. This means the win rate is 81%. And now here the largest profit trade is $39 and the largest losing trade is only $7. And this is a big difference between the loss and the profit. If you see here, the consecutive wins are 12 while the consecutive losses are only 3. Let's take a look on the graphs. Amazing. This kind of graph which is consistently going upward. I love that kind of graph, and this is very important to take a look on the graph how the balance and equity is going upward. In this case, here you can see the graph is going consistently upward without giving us a very big drawdowns. And below you can see the profit and losses by months. Every month closed in profit. Here in April 2024 there was very small activities, not too much, small profits, small losses. And in the March there was a lot of activities, a lot of trades and big profits, big trades. Here is the profit and losses by hours, profit and losses by weeks, of it is performing. So you can take a look on these graphs and make a decision for your live trading account. And here below all this information and the list of all trades which it is taken. As you know, it made overall 1636 number of trades. Also, I have done the backtesting and optimization of the Darkwing SCA on many other pairs, and some videos are published and some optimizations are going on. The videos will be posted soon. Stay tuned. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share with your other fellow traders. For now, that's it.